That was the reason to get off.
I didn't think I was gonna make it.
Look at all these celebrities. Jeez.
Yeah, there you go.
Dude, 3 whip was sick, man.
The drone is cool.
What do you think of that, Swihart?
Awesome,
Is that
dude.
sick or what?
That was sweet.
Hey folks, Caleb with Auman Landscape YouTube channel here. We are at the craziest of all things. It's the Dirtkhana, so far as I understand. And it's a video that they're shooting for Connex and some other stuff. Again, I don't fully understand what's going on here. But BMX, mountain bike dirt jumps, just crazy stuff. Tom Gardaki's down there, Jake Hatch, Black Sheep Skid. My gosh, there's so many. Swihart was here. Here is Technology Sandbox. This big deer dozer here. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's awesome. And this thing is so smooth. I can't get over it. It's such a big machine and it's so smooth. I got nowhere to mount this thing, so I don't know where to put this. Let's see, right there. That's a horrible view, but I think if we could put kids in dozers and heavy equipment in general, for that matter, and convey the art that this is to actually hold the blade steady and what it really takes to be a proficient operator, I think it'd be such a great thing for the trades. Like, I am so not good at this, but it is so fun. And this thing is fast too. And it's so smooth, it's the crazy thing. Got Jeremy Swihart here about to do his best Black Sheep impression. You got it, Jeremy?
Can't be that hard.
No. Like that Jake guy does it in flip-flops. Can't be that bad. Daddy's okay.
Look.
Ride the mechanical bull.
Hey, let's see if Caleb has commitment. Oh yeah.
That's under the pedal.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah, that's why that pedal wasn't working very good.
That might have been.
hot dog and it'll get you, right? Look on no hands. Woo! Dude, that was like crazy, man. That was so wild.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Jake. Hey, what do you think of that? Dude, that is like, I am freaking shaking. That was so wild.
Dude, that was good, dude. You like nailed it right away.
Well, I got to watch you guys. If I didn't get to watch you, yeah, God, I'd have had it on its side, you know, who knows. The scale was crazy. Thank you, Britt. Britt with Technology Sandbox. Invite. And Black Sheep doing Black Sheep stuff. And I'm out of breath from coming up this. That guy's nuts. I'm sure video will do this no justice. That's a really big steep slope to be going up in two wheels, especially backwards. Dude, this is wild. All right. Dude, look how fast it's going in there. The roll and actually hit the jump and tarp it that way, that'd be sweet.
Let it fly.
Yes! Addison, what do you think of what he's doing right there?
I think he's kind of doing like a wheelie on tracks.
Yeah.
A trackly.
A trackly? I like it.
Well, I'm seeing this from the way I see things. Now, someone else that doesn't see things the way I see things may interpret that situation as something totally different. And
well, you and I run into that a lot with the business and running it together and
thetrades.com.
Together in thetrades.com.
Running it together in the trades.com. That's, you see what I did there? Was a
I see that.
Okay.
I didn't see that, but I see it now. But you know, like it happens every day. The way you say something, I'm like, no, you meant it this way, or like you meant to. Sometimes I feel like you meant to hurt me with that statement, but you didn't. It was just the way it was interpreted on my end, and vice versa. It goes back and forth, but I think that happens a lot in business relationships and communication with the guys. Like the way you say something or the way you direct them to do something might not be well received, just because they interpret it differently or your tone.
Right.
You know, they didn't match your tone.
Yep, that's very true.